Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Your Android device must have vibration hardware, and you should know your Android version. Once done, open Settings immediately and go to Sound and Vibration. This is where System Touch Feedback lives. If you don't see options, make sure Quick Settings or Search are available. You're now ready to follow the first actionable steps to activate touch vibration. Tap Sound and Vibration and prepare to change touch feedback settings. Now enable the actual setting. In Sound and Vibration, locate touch vibration or haptic feedback. Tap the toggle to turn it on. You should feel an immediate short buzz. If there are sub-options, set intensity or vibration style to your preference. Make sure Do Not Disturb and Battery Saver are off because they can suppress haptics. Once enabled, interact with keyboard keys, navigation buttons, and long press menus to confirm tactile feedback is active and responsive. Finish by fine-tuning intensity and confirming app behavior. Go back to haptic feedback intensity and set a comfortable level. Different manufacturers label it differently. If you don't feel vibration, restart the phone to reset services. Make sure Do Not Disturb, Battery Saver, or any accessibility service isn't blocking haptics. If vibration still fails, test with a diagnostic app or in safe mode to isolate third-party apps. The key tip: restart and verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.